So one of the things that I use to organize my business, besides Trello, because you know I talk about that all the time, is Google Drive. And I actually was a late adapter of Google Drive, I feel like, because I didn't quite understand all of the benefits, and I felt like it was kind of weird and messy and, all the things. But now I embrace it and I love it, and it's part of my workflows. And I want to teach you how to also use Google Drive to organize your business. Welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you're here. If you are new here, my name is Jessica Stansberry, and I am a video and content marketing strategist for entrepreneurs just like you who are ready to grow bigger, better, more visible businesses through using content and video to do that. So if that is you, if that sounds like something that you would love, make sure you hit subscribe. Now, obviously, Google Drive is not content or video focused, but I do also deliver tech-focused help tips and productivity tips for entrepreneurs on this channel. So, it's an all-around awesome place to be. So don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Don't forget, okay? Don't forget. Now, like I said a minute ago, Google Drive has always been something that I don't feel like I ever fully jumped in full force in the beginning of everybody using Google Drive, and I feel like at some point I almost resisted Google Drive. So I'm a big Dropbox lover. I love some Dropbox. I love the way it helps me organize my life and my files and all of that stuff. But the thing that Dropbox is missing is that ability to create spreadsheets and PowerPoints and not PowerPoints, I guess, but Google Drive, whatever they call them. And Word documents, you can't create those in Dropbox. And yes, you can create them in the Microsoft program or whatever and put them into Dropbox. But one, I'm on a Mac, so I don't have those programs. Two, I don't really think that that's beneficial to anybody either because they're not cloud driven. So essentially, I started using Google Drive to do things like that, make presentations, make slide decks, keep notes or make some kind of document, maybe even, create a spreadsheet here and there. I don't do a ton of spreadsheets, but I have a couple here and there, and I fell in love with it. But there is a couple things you need to do to really use it to the best of its abilities to help you organize your business. The first thing I want you to do to really use Google Drive to help you organize your business is to have a system. Now, if you're going to keep notes about your clients' meetings in Trello and in Google Drive, that seems kind of counterproductive. If you're going to keep a spreadsheet about something in Google Drive, but also have it on an Excel spreadsheet or download it in a PDF, again, seems kind of excessive. So figure out what is best for you in using Google Drive. What of the features will you use the most? For me, for this example, I want to tell you how I kind of use it because I think it will help you guys figure that out for yourselves. So I, of course, use the presentations. Don't get me wrong, that's absolutely how I make every single presentation I do. However, more than anything, I use the documents. So I use basically Word documents inside of Google Docs, and I create a document. Sometimes I create my freebies within a Google Doc. Sometimes I create templates within a Google Docs. Sometimes I just take notes. Sometimes I am writing out sales page copy before I put it on my sales page. Whatever the case is, I use a lot of Google Docs. So for me, my system consists of organizing those Google Docs in a way where I know how to get back to each one of them and where everything is at all times and what is going in a Google Doc versus a Trello card or something like that. For me, what goes in a Google Doc versus a Trello card are things like client notes. I like to keep them in a Google Doc because it's very editable, it's very formattable, and it's something that I can go back in at any time and edit and bold and highlight and whatever else I need to do. So I like to put those in a Google Doc. The other thing are freebies. I create most of my freebies in Photoshop or InDesign, but sometimes they're a simple freebie and I can do it even in a document. The other pieces here, again, are like my sales copy or something like that. Those things all go in a Google Doc. If it needs to be formatted in any way or it's any kind of long form written text, it's going to go in a Google Doc. So first and foremost, have a system. Figure out what is going in a Google Doc versus something else that you already use. Second, I want you to create folders for everything. So I have a clients folder. Inside of that clients folder, I have a folder for every single client I have. Inside of that clients folder is all of their notes from any sessions we've had. And then the other bonus thing that I do here is every time we have a Zoom call, I upload it to their Google Drive folder. So I can send them the link. It doesn't take any space on my computer. I can delete it from my computer after that, and we're done. So each client has their own folder. And I will say that that folder is linked in their Trello board that they have as well, so that they know how to access it and they don't have to keep coming back to me to ask. So keep folders, whether it's clients or projects or a particular project or whatever, but designate folders for a lot of files to go into. Now, I kind of hit on this one a second ago, but link to these Google Docs and Google files in your other project management or organizational systems. So if you're an Asana user or a Trello user or whatever else you're using to organize your business life, create a card and link to a Google Doc. That way you never forget where it's at. Again, in my client boards, I have a call notes folder, and then on Trello, a call notes card, and then their Google Docs folder is linked inside of that. But it just makes things easier to organize when you do this. So hopefully this gave you a really good idea of how to get started using Google Drive to organize some things in your business. If you are currently using Google Drive, hit me up in the comments and let me know how you use it and what your favorite thing about it is. And if not, let me know that too. And until next time, hit subscribe. Bye, y'all.